Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Keke Meme Coin. It's quite easy to get this token. All you need to do is simply open up your browser. Once your browser is opened up, make sure you're on the coinmarketcap.com. Link would be in the description of the video. Now, once on this web page, simply scroll down till you find the Ethereum contract address. Please copy this Ethereum contract address. Simply scroll down and head to the market section. Now, on the market section, you can have a look at both the centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges that are hosting the Keke Coin on their exchange. Now, for the centralized exchange, we have MEXC as the leading exchange that is hosting the Keke Coin. And for decentralized exchanges, we have Uniswap. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your wrapped Ethereum or Ethereum to get yourself some Keke. To do this, minimize and open up a wallet of your choice, be it the MetaMask or the Trust Wallet. It's the same thing. Click on your Trust Wallet application. So guys, and once you're on Trust Wallet, once you've opened up Trust Wallet, simply search for ETH, that's Ethereum. Make sure you've got yourself some mainnet Ethereum, as this mainnet Ethereum is going to be used for transactions. If you do not have mainnet Ethereum, click on the buy option, enter an amount of the Ethereum you wish to buy based on your region, and you can pay with your credit card or your debit card. So once that's done, all you need to do now is simply add the Keke coin to your wallet. And to do that, simply click on where we have the Manage Crypto at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Manage Crypto, click on the plus icon, and where we have the network, set it to Ethereum, paste the contract address we just copied, and you'd find the Keke coin, and its symbol has been added. Now click on Import. Once you've clicked on import, you can find the Keke on your wallet. How do we buy the Keke on Trust Wallet? Head to the browser section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply scroll till you find the Uniswap exchange. And once you found Uniswap, simply click on the Uniswap. And once Uniswap has loaded in, please make sure you connect your wallet by clicking on the Connect Wallet option at the bottom of the screen or at the top right corner. And once you've connected, you're going to be shown this symbol here. Once you've done this, simply head over to the Select Tokens option, click on Select Tokens, and select the Wrapped Ethereum. Now, once you've selected the Wrapped Ethereum, you can convert your available Ethereum into the Wrapped Ethereum. And once you've done this, once you've converted into the Wrapped Ethereum, replace the Ethereum with the Keke coin by pasting the contract address you just copied. So once you've done this, click on Keke, click on I understand, and you can simply swap the wrapped Ethereum into the Keke and you'd receive it on your wallet, which you could confirm by simply searching for it. So Keke, click on this and perform a reload. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can buy the Keke coin and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.